In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. This is a super useful feature that allows you to save the current state of your computer so you can restore it if something goes wrong. Let's get started. First, let's open the Start menu. Click on the Windows icon in the taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, type Create a Restore Point into the search bar and click on the matching result. This will open the System Properties window. Make sure you're on the System Protection tab. Now, look at the list under Protection Settings. Make sure the protection for your main system drive, usually C, is turned on. If it's not, select the drive and click Configure. In the new window, select Turn on System Protection. Click Apply and then OK. Now we're ready to create a restore point. In the System Properties window, click on Create. A new dialog box will appear. Enter a description for your restore point. Then click Create. Windows will now create the restore point. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying the restore point was created successfully. Click Close and then OK to exit the System Properties window. And that's it. You've successfully created a system restore point in Windows 11. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.